Welcome back. We're just a couple of weeks into 2026, and I hope this year's off to a great start for you. Today, I want to talk about problem solving, which is an essential skill for leaders. Organizations with strong critical thinking and problem solving cultures see up to a 50% faster issue resolution in their teams. And this stat comes from McKinsey and Company based on the power of problem solving in organizations. The question of the day: why should leaders improve their problem solving skills? Think about that for a second. Because there are different types of problem solving frameworks. We've got A3, PDCA, DMEG, 8D, and they all serve slightly different purposes. And I'm not going to dive into the various frameworks, but what I'm going to talk about is why leaders should be great problem solvers. Companies with structured problem-solving frameworks like PDCA or A3 thinking or Lean Six Sigma, they report 10 to 20% higher project success rates than others. This stat comes from several industry reports like PMI, APMG, or just practitioner white papers. Why leaders should be great problem solvers. Let's dive into this. Good leaders solve problems because it helps their team get things done, manages demanding tasks, and it turns challenges into opportunities for improvement. I was recently reading the 5% Rule of Leadership by Anil Singhal, and there's a chapter in this book titled Be a Problem Solver, Not a Solution Provider. So what's the key difference between those two? Let's dive into that a little bit. So solution-focused approach. This is when you jump into a ready-made answer. You're aiming to deliver a quick fix, and you're often putting to the side the deeper understanding of root cause. Now, on the other hand, problem-focused approach. You take time to understand the problem clearly. You map the root cause, you explore multiple options, and you co-create sustainable improvements. Let's keep it simple. The first step for a problem solver is to understand the problem clearly. That's the first step. You ask various questions like, what is the problem? Why does it matter? Who is affected? When did the problem start? What are constraints? What would a successful resolution look like? So here's a simple framework to guide the mindset. Number one, pause and define. This is where you want to clarify the problem in plain language. Number two, explore causes. This is where you identify root causes, not just symptoms. Number three, generate options. This is where you brainstorm multiple paths to a solution. Number four, decide, then act. You choose the best options and implement with accountability. Number five, review and learn. This is where you check your results. You learn from outcomes and you redo the process if needed. So here's my closing thoughts. By developing strong problem-solving skills, leaders empower teams, they reduce uncertainty, and they transform hurdles into opportunities for growth. Structured problem-solving practices don't just fix issues. They raise the bar for performance across the entire organization.